In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TurboTax Premium by downgrading your plan. If you were automatically moved to Premium in TurboTax and realized you don't actually need those features, you can switch to a lower-cost plan. The key thing to know up front is this. You can only downgrade if your tax return doesn't require Premium features. Premium is typically needed for things like investment income with lots of transactions, rental properties, or certain advanced tax situations. If your return is simpler, or if you're just taking common deductions, you should be able to move to a lower plan and save money. Let's walk through the process. Start by opening the product options inside TurboTax. Look to the top right of your screen and click Switch Products. This opens the area where you can change your plan. Then click Downgrade. That tells TurboTax you want to step down from Premium and see what alternatives are available for your return. Next, you'll choose a lower plan. You'll see the available options laid out for you, usually including Free Edition and Deluxe. Take a moment to review what each plan covers. Free Edition is intended for very simple returns, typically W-2 income, and the standard deduction without itemizing. Deluxe is designed for people who want help with common deductions and credits, like mortgage interest, medical expenses, or charitable contributions, but who don't need the advanced features of Premium. When you're ready, either click Downgrade to Free Edition if your situation is straightforward, or choose Continue with Deluxe if you still want guidance for deductions but don't need Premium. If your return includes items that truly require Premium, TurboTax will usually let you know and block the downgrade. In that case, you'll need to keep Premium to file accurately. Once you've selected your plan, continue your return. Click Continue to move forward. From here, just proceed with filing as you normally would. Your entries stay with you, and your pricing should now reflect the plan you chose. Before you finish, double-check your forms, credits, and deductions to make sure everything you need is supported in the plan you selected. If something looks off or a feature you expected isn't available, you can go back to the product options and adjust your plan again. That's it. By using Switch Products, selecting Downgrade, choosing either Free Edition or Deluxe, and clicking Continue, you can remove Premium, provided your return doesn't require it, and complete your filing with confidence.